To the national capital now, Delhi continues to battle toxic air. Even though the AQI has now shown slight of the improvement from the peak of this season, pollution levels still remain in the danger zone across the capital city. Wazirpur is the worst hit today with an AQI of 401 being marked in the severe category. Other key locations remain deep in the very poor category, including Anand Vihar standing at 382. Then comes Narela in the list at 384. Then we have Chandni Chowk at 364, R.K. Puram at 354, ITO at 352 and Alipur at 353. Health experts warn even in the very poor range, breathing this air can seriously impact lungs and heart, especially for children, seniors and asthma patients. People are being advised to limit outdoor exposure, wear N95 or equivalent masks, and use air purifiers indoor whenever it is possible for them. But some relief for the residents of the national capital as the Commission for Air Quality Management has revoked Stage 3 restrictions under the Graded Response Action Plan, citing a quote-unquote steady improvement in air quality over the past 3 days. Minister Majinder Singh Sirsa announced this news on his social media platform. However, he also clarified that Stage 1 and Stage 2 measures will continue to remain in place.
CUCM की तरफ से ग्रेप 3 को विड्रॉ कर दिया गया है। अब मात्र ग्रेप 2 की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दिल्ली पे रहेंगी। जो स्कूल्स हाइब्रिड चल रहे थे वो रिस्ट्रिक्शन को भी ख़त्म कर दिया गया है। जो 50% होम का था उस रिस्ट्रिक्शन को भी ख़त्म कर दिया गया। अब मात्र ग्रेप 2 की रिस्ट्रिक्शन ही कंस्ट्रक्शन से लेकर सब चीज़ों पे लागू रहेगी। सो मैं आप सबको जानकारी देना चाहता हूँ, CUCM के माध्यम से उनके आदेश अनुसार अब ग्रेप 3 दिल्ली पे लागू नहीं हो रहा, केवल ग्रेप 2 की रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दिल्ली पर लागू होंगी। धन्यवाद।
The AQI in Delhi currently hovers around 350 and forecasts indicate air quality is likely to remain in the very poor category in the coming few days too. Authorities say they will keep a close watch on the situation and issue further directives if at all required. While Stage 3 actions are lifted, Delhiites are advised to continue taking precautions as pollution levels remain high across the city.